Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. How is your day going so far? Is it okay? Thank God that we are alive. It's good to give God thanks for his blessing. Okay guys, how is it going so far? Wish you all the best that life has to offer us. Okay guys, thank you very much for viewing my channel. Thank you very much for watching, for subscribing. All my subscribers, big up to everyone. Love you guys. Love you from my heart. Special love to you guys. Those who make a comment, those who subscribe, those who view, those who tell a friend, those who like, those who share. God bless you all. Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my juice. And let me turn the camera that you can see. Oh, okay guys. And you notice I have on my apron. Okay guys. Alright. I washed my hands already. Okay, these I have here is peach, apple, can you see it? Melon, pineapple. I have some more over here. Strawberries, ginger, and some small black grapes. Okay, you can see. Okay guys, I'm going to show you over here how I blend. Let me remove it. Okay, can you see guys? Okay, and this is my blender over here. All right, so I'm going to wash my hands again. Always wash your hands guys. And I have my bucket here, so I'm going to cut these a bit smaller because some of them is frozen. The melon is frozen, my pineapple is frozen, and when it's plenty in season, you can buy it and put it in your freezer and it stays there for months. Okay guys, so this is what I do. I buy it and I frozen it. Okay, and over here I have my ginger. Everything is washed already, but I'm going to wash again. Okay guys, this is my small grapes. And my strawberry here and ginger, more strawberry and ginger, and over here, that's it. So this is what I have. So I'm going to wash them again, let you see. Okay, I'm going to blend. You can see guys. How much in got? And see, guys? So it's a mixture of all fruits that I have here. And I have my basin here. And I'm going to put some water on this. So I'm washing it like this. And guys, this is my finished product. Okay guys, as I say, you use whatever your fruit you have, especially when they are a lot in season. Okay, you just use whatever you have and blend them all together, no sugar. Okay guys, so this is my blended fruit juice. Okay, or use whatever you have. I'm going to taste, let you see. No sugar, I don't put no sugar, it's just a piece of ice. Okay guys, it tastes so good. Do you want some? Okay guys, you can just tell me what kind of fruit juice you make, or you can you recommend a fruit juice for me that I can make it for you. Okay guys, any fruits. Okay, we have all sorts of fruits here. Okay, thanks for watching. God bless you. Love you guys. See you on my next channel.